Hello everyone, this is Sharon Mistretta and welcome to a tutorial on how to create a Voki. You have been sent a username and password by our teacher's assistant. So now what we're going to do is we are going to come over to our classes and you are going to see two assignments for multicultural education for session 1. Part 1 and Part 2. You're going to create a 90-second Voki audio reply to the prompt, what is multicultural education? How, if at all, does it manifest in your professional practice? You may choose any Voki character and background to facilitate your response. And the second part is to create a separate, additional 90-second Voki to the following prompt. Where would you situate your current place of employment along Nieto's 2008 continuum and why? What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to create a Voki. This is my collection of Voki that I have created over the years. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new one. When I click on Create New, it is going to present you with a person, and it's a randomly generated person. This is actually the one that I usually pick. So I've been on them for a long time, so I think that that's why. So here I want to show you that you have to click a character, select a character. Now what I usually do is I select this all characters button at the very top of this column. You can choose any character that you wish. Character, animal, comic book character, anything that you wish. I am going to select this person and I am going to now select her outfit. And this particular outfit that I want to choose is this one here. I can also, if I wanted to change hairstyle, hair color, I can choose a hat or other accessories. I can choose glasses if I wanted to put glasses on her, so I'm going to do so. I can choose jewelry. So I think I'm going to change her jewelry to pearls. Facial hair if you wanted to, lip color, and also props. You can do anything you want in that category. Right now I'm going to choose background. I usually choose a school background. I choose this right here. You can also change lip color, eye color, skin color, hair color, and makeup. So now what I'm going to do, that I've chosen my character, I'm going to select audio. Now what I'm going to do for this is show you that you can select a microphone recording and you can record your own voice. This happens to be up to 90 seconds and I recommend that you use a Word document so that you can read from it and make sure that you are concise in what you want to say. In this particular tutorial, what I'm going to do is I am going to show you the text that I'm going to place in my window. And I am going to place it right here. Now I'm just short of a couple of words here. I'm just going to take out the here and I am going to put in learning and let's see if that will fit. Okay. And it doesn't like the word device. It also is picking up my Grammarly. So what I'm doing is I'm trimming here. Now, just so you know, you can record this in any language. There's multiple languages that you can choose. I'm choosing English. And let us hear what Julie.
The definition of multicultural education is inclusive practices of teachers in every discipline to interpret curriculum in substantive ways to increase students' level of understanding by implementing multiple bridges to connect lives with content. I teach coding, robotics, and one device for NASA Endeavor program. My students are teachers primarily located in the United States and South America. Endeavor is an online program with synchronous and asynchronous classes and discussions. The culture of an online environment places a thin veil over my ability to decipher students' race and ethnicity. My students are primarily female, with the most recent class having a 17:7 female to male ratio. Since my pop is the underrepresentation of women in STEM, I am particularly interested in how my female students respond to programming that is typically a male-dominated field of learning.
Okay, so you can see that I had just enough characters so that I can work within the text box here. And I am going to now save this. So I'm going to save this. Please save it with your last name. I am going to put in Multicultural Education, Session 1, Part 1. And please do the same with your last name so that we can decipher which Voki is yours. And we're going to save this. Okay, so now she is saved. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to embed this to provide the link. So the link to your Voki is right here. You're going to copy the URL. So you're just going to click on Copy URL. URL is Uniform Resource Locator. And what I'm going to do is I am going to come over to Blackboard. Now what I'm doing here is I am using this as a part of my Technologies and Creative Learning course. So what I'm going to do is just going to add to my own post so that I can show you how to include a link. So I'm just going to come down to one of my posts here, and I am going to, I copied the link from Voki, and I'm going to just do, on a Windows-based device, you should do a Control V, which is paste. V as in Victor. I'm doing a Command V on a Mac. So what you want to do here is you're going to just put a little blurb here. Here is my Voki when you reply to the discussion in your Blackboard discussion post. But what I want to show you is when you highlight this, you are going to click on the insert link, and it's going to bring another window here. I'm just going to put this link path in here again. Now what you should do, its best practices, is target equals blank. What you're doing is you're allowing, when your user clicks on it, it's going to open it up in a new window so that it's not going to navigate away from Blackboard, so that when your viewer X's out of your Voki, then you are going to be able to come back to Blackboard. And we're just going to put, I'm going to put Mistretta ME Session 1, Part 1 as the title. Okay, that's just best practices, and I'm going to click on Insert. So now when my user, when I save this, I'll submit it so that you can see that it's there, and then when I click on it, it's going to open up in a new window, and there it is. Okay, and then when my user clicks on it, they're going to be able to hear it, and when I close this, it comes back to Blackboard. So I'm just going to edit this again so that I take that out of there, that I showed you how to enter a URL, Uniform Resource Locator, and just put a little bit of a blurb as to this is the first part of your response to Session 1, Part 1. And I'm just going to submit that because that's my current homework. And then I'm going to come back to Voki. Okay, so that is how to create a Voki and respond to the prompts for multicultural education. Thank you.